Good evening, everybody. From the Australian bush in a town called Gorleston in New South Wales. It is now night and the stars are just coming out. And this is the fire that I got going. It's really blooming. It's flourishing now, so it's keeping me nice and warm. Not that it's too cold, but yeah, you're just hearing the sounds of the birds and the crazy sounds of the Australian bush. So hopefully the fire will keep the animals away, but it'll be interesting to see. But I hope you're impressed with my fire. I really am. Learnt that here. Learnt that working on the farm, so I'm really impressed that I'm able to actually do it. It's crazy. Take another look at it. There you go. Woman makes fire. Yeah. The sun is just setting over the horizon. To dawn, another day. So I'll sign off and say bye. Okay.